Angel Kids Toys! Yay! Today we're gonna unbox this toy. It's a mini cash register and we're gonna open up and see what's inside. Let's see. It's a pink one.
Sakitnya. Ibu sakitnya. Bu, sakitnya.
Okay. Wow. Are you happy? Wow, what is it? We have some credit card, some snack boxes, some coins, and then actually we need two batteries that we have to put inside. So then it has sound. Welcome. Uh-oh, they have some more cash. Whoa. You can press a button. Uh-oh. And then they have a barcode scanner. Can you do that? Can you do it, Mommy? Okay. Oh, they have... Okay, and they have scale. It has scale also, right? Wow. Could you do the credit card for me, please? Whoa! Yay! Okay, so now, can I buy this? Thank you. Okay, you can sit down here. Okay. Can I buy this? Okay. Scale that for me. Okay. I will buy all those three. Okay, you scan that. Another one. Another one. How much? How much? Two? Okay. Thank you. Oh. Do you need some coins? Yeah? Two? Thank you. Can I use this one also? Okay. Thank you. Can I get all those three? The snacks? The snacks. Okay, thank you. Are you happy with the toy? Yeah? Okay. Okay, this pink mini register comes up with a barcode scanner that can scan your items. And then it has buttons.
I say wow. Show you. Welcome. Why?
And then you can save some money over here. You can put the money here actually. And then it has scale too. It has a scale. It also has a credit card. Yay!
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, it's a pink mini register. It's a nice one. You should get one. Okay, we're done now. So if you enjoy watching this video, please like this video and subscribe down below here. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now. Bye.